I'm about to show you how to record professional sounding vocals with the Audient iD4. Step number one is to connect your interface to your computer with the included USB-C cable. Step number two is to open up your recording software of choice, in my case, Logic Pro. Then create a new project. Make sure that both your input and output are set to the Audient iD4. Then create an audio track. And if your recording software has this feature, go into the settings and enable low latency monitoring so you can hear yourself in real time with near zero latency. Step number three is to connect your microphone to the back of the Audient iD4 with an XLR cable. If you're using a condenser microphone like the Lewitt LCT440 Pure or the Rode NT1, then don't forget to turn on the 48 volt switch, also known as phantom power. However, if you're using a dynamic microphone like the Shure SM7DB, then phantom power is not required. Step number four is to set a healthy gain level. Start performing into your microphone and bring up the gain knob on your audio interface. Pay attention to the level meter on your audio track. It should be lighting mainly green and peaking at yellow, but never red. If it's red, that means that the signal is way too hot, the audio is clipping, and unfortunately, you cannot fix this in post. So as a rule of thumb, try keeping your gain levels between -18 to -12. This will give you a strong signal with enough headroom in case you get excited, and it will prevent the mic from clipping. But here's a pro tip. Don't just walk up to the mic and say something like check 1 2, mic 1 2 3, or anything like that. You actually need to sing or speak into the mic as you would be recording. Otherwise, you're gonna set the gain way too high, and by the time your voice gets warmed up, you'll run the risk of clipping the microphone. By the way, if you're getting value out of this video, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Step number five is to create a great headphone mix. The goal here is for you to be able to hear yourself comfortably so you can perform at your best. And one of the features of the Audient iD4 is that it has a built-in monitor mix knob, allowing you to blend the signal coming from your input as well as your computer's internal audio. This is great because some people want to hear their voice louder than the rest of the playback. Others might want to hear the instrumentation louder than their own voice, so you can really tailor it to your liking. Once you've created a great headphone mix and you're ready to get started recording, make sure to enable your track and then just press record. If you need one-on-one help with your recording setup, make sure to click the link in the description so you can book a video call with me. And if you also want to learn my top tips for recording vocals, then make sure to click on this video.